Hey, this is Ajane and welcome back. Today I want to demonstrate how the squeezing of slime can have some healing properties, how it can help to relieve stress. So friends, if you have some slime, that's great. If you don't, that's okay too. We are just going to do 3 quick squeezes with our slime. And of course, you can do more. So here's what I would like for you to do. Because it is scientifically researched that squeezing items such as slime help to release stress. So here's our slime. And we're just going to squeeze it. If you want, you can close your eyes. You may even want to try to tighten up some other muscles as you're squeezing. And release. And squeeze as much as you can. And release. And one more time. Squeeze. And release. Again, hopefully this will help you to calm down if you are feeling stressed. Squeeze on. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.